What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys another video. So in today's video, I ordered some blacked out BMW emblems off of American Panda. Shout out to Thick Whibs. After watching his video, I knew I had to order them. So let me show you guys the original real quick. What's up, Mons?
What's up, guys?
So this is the original one real quick. And if you guys can see, there's a little silver chrome outline. And these are this is the new one.
Bring it to this one.
Bro, it looks super good, bro.
Look at that.
Oh my god, bro, especially with the black.
Honestly, bro, I'm sorry, I might have to steal them off you. I really might have to.
Actually, let me see how it would look on your car. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, we got the front lip on. It looks super good, bro.
We stayed up till 3 a.m., you know. Well worth it, but 3 a.m.
He did it without me, guys, bro. He didn't let me record it.
I was too eager.
But oh my god, bro, why does it look better on your car?
I don't know, I'm telling you.
Anyways, guys, so that's the new emblem. It looks super sick. This is the old one. We're just gonna get right into the install, so we're gonna cut to that real quickly.
Hey.
There we go. We're gonna have Mohaz put on the badge for us.
Just because my OCD. There you go, you're done.
Wow.
I'm just kidding, man. Wow.
Okay, I actually thought I got stuck for a second.
Okay, we gotta.
So we just finished removing all this stuff on. There's still a little bit that's not coming off, but it's starting to rain. So yeah, just take it off, bro. All right.
Toss that bad boy on the floor.
You know how it goes, right?
I hope.
Dang. Okay. Bro, this looks so good.
Hold up. Apply some pressure.
Bro, this looks so freaking good.
It really does. What?
Bro.
Dude, it looks literally 10 times better.
Whoa. This looks so good, bro.
I know. Honestly, you'd have to see it in person, but.
For sure. I mean, honestly, not even on camera, you could tell the difference.
Hold up.
Like, it's a slight difference, but looks super freaking clean.
Oh, there goes the goo
You
gun.
just dropped the alcohol and the goo gun. Oh. We tried using the floss. Honestly, the floss wouldn't go in. I don't know if it's like the type of floss I bought, but we're gonna try using a pry tool. So, oh man, I don't even know how to use this thing, to be honest. What's the best way of like not scratching my paint? I'm scared. I'm scared to scratch my paint, bro.
Use the smaller side. Basically, we just dropped the camera for like literally 3 seconds right there. Wow, no good lighting whatsoever.
Yeah, 3 seconds and it basically came off.
We just popped it off. Teamwork makes the dream work, right, Noah?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. It's off.
Wait up.
Hold on.
There we go. We got it off, baby.
Yeah.
Why did it feel like there was 3M on it, bro?
Oh, bro, so tight on there.
Bro, I couldn't take it off.
Just wipe it down. I got the rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, let me get the rubber.
Preparation for the new badge, or what?
What's that?
Preparation for the new badge?
Yes, sir. Alright, let's do this real quick.
Is that a new rag?
Nope.
It is. He took the new rag.
I wasn't using one of those old ones. I'll give you a rag, don't worry.
It's good.
Alright.
You are good.
Alright. And I almost put the old one back on. That would have been pretty bad. Right.
Okay. Oh, you have the new one? Okay, yeah. Perfect.
So I think, yeah, it just goes on one way.
Just line up.
And bam,
oh my god.
Bro, that looks so
Oh my god. Hold up. Oh wait, move the right. Quick save. Dude, that looks so good.
What the heck? Bro, It completely changed how it looks.
It literally looks so cool. Hold up.
Bro,
dude.
That's fire.
Maybe I've never paid attention to the BMW badge, but that looks really good.
No, it looks super clean, bro. Hell yeah.
Hold up, there we go.
Worth every penny, to be honest.
Oh, I could agree, low key, bro.
It
What?
looks super good. Like this, like compare them.
It's gone.
Messy trunk.
Yeah, messy trunk. Nobody has to know. You're good.
But comparing them, bro, the black looks 10 times cleaner, to be honest.
It just looks different.
Especially with
which
the black,
I really like.
especially with the black car, like it looks super good.
Oh yeah,
Bro,
for
it's
sure.
raining on us, bro. What the heck happened?
Oh, I don't want the rain getting in that mic.
You're good. You're good.
Okay.
But, yeah, this is pretty clean. The install of the BMW blacked out emblems. I think they look super good. They're a little bit on the pricey side. They're around $200, but honestly they look super clean. But other than that, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, peace out. See you.